And that's why you need to understand that it's a lot of opportunity for you as well. For example, if you are a lawyer, I mean, man, if you are a lawyer and you're not in crypto, I don't know what you're doing. If you are a lawyer today, guys, and you're not a millionaire at the end of the bull market that we're heading towards, you've really missed out. You have missed out completely. You've played your cards completely backwards. And you understand that when we're entering this new space, there will be so many opportunities for accounting, for lawyers. There's so much. Just think about something you're good at and apply here. There's so much. I'm telling you guys, if you are a lawyer and you come out of this bull market not a millionaire, you only have yourself to blame. There's so many complicated questions that will come up in DeFi and crypto before it becomes mainstream, that if you know just how Uniswap or Kyber or Aave works, you are in such a demand in terms of being a lawyer. You're such a golden gem if you know how to play your cards correctly. Most people don't. They think that this is some kind of hobby they have. They think that they watch Ivan on Tech. It's some kind of fun hobby they do every morning. In reality, I'm giving to you life-changing tools that you can use in order to literally change your life. If you only understand the potential, only understand the possibility. This is how, unfortunately, most people view this industry. They know how Uniswap works. They have used DeFi. They have used all of it. They see the potential. For some reason, they think it's some kind of game industry that we're in. For some reason, they think this is some kind of, small, insignificant technology we're talking about. They know it's gonna be big. They know it, but for some reason, it's like not close to them. It's somewhere there. They know it's gonna be big, but they don't see themselves as being part of it. That my mind gets blown. I see a lot of accountants, a lot of lawyers, they're just being here and they're just watching. Maybe they buy some coins, that's good that they at least invest, but here is where most value can be created if you professionally enter this industry. That value compared to just investing in altcoins, I mean, it's so much more. It's so much more. Anyway, the publication interviewed a number of experts from industry following the news that Coinbase had tapped former Facebook Vice President, Deputy General Counsel. And you see that now with all of these issues coming out with new technology, all lawyers that know anything about this are in such demand. I mean, imagine me as a client. Let's say I want to resolve some kind of legal issue. I need to get a lawyer. Now, that lawyer has no clue about DeFi, about smart contracts, what the hell we're doing here. He has no clue about automated market makers. Imagine me explaining everything to him. I will have to pay for every hour that I'm educating him about DeFi. Basically, I will spend maybe months educating him about DeFi so he can actually take my case. He can understand me. He can actually be able to provide some kind of value to me. So obviously, he will get paid for every hour quite severely, quite extensively, quite heavily. He will be charging for every hour. So then when I have educated him about Kyber, Aave, then we can start talking about the legal issue at hand. Then he will start actually working and producing something. That's already maybe we're 2 months into the process. Then he will probably say, hey man, this is too much for me. I cannot give you a good service. So yeah, goodbye. Unfortunately, no refund is due because my time was spent learning this DeFi crap, because to him it's crap. He's like, what the hell? I learned all about this Kyber thing. I just want to do some normal lawyer things. So you understand that it's worthless. Now, if you have a DeFi lawyer that already knows all of this, you're golden. You're golden. Anyway, guys.